when they put the line.
But I was telling Claire it was going to be sore afterward, and so she wanted to pick out some Band-Aids for you.
Thanks, Mary.
I can't even do that. That's different. I can even do that. Watch this. I can spin with one leg.
Whoa. Holy cow. He's hopping on one leg.
I'm spinning with one leg.
And
Watch
making
this.
Moroccan.
I can balancing.
Yeah. Whoa.
That's some fancy footwork, sweetheart.